Hello and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I'll be giving you a tour of this stunning Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line finished in a deep black pearlescent paint. This is the 2-litre diesel DSG that has covered just under 11,000 miles from new. You've got your alloy wheels with the R-Line detailing around the car. This car also comes with an electric panoramic glass sunroof, perfect for the weather at the minute. So I'll just take you around to the boot. So we'll pop it open to see how much space we've got inside. So as you can see, we've got a nice spacious boot with plenty of room. This car also includes the Swivelling tow bar. Got your spare wheel under there. So to activate your tow bar, you'd press this button here. And it will release your tow bar, so you just pull it up. And then you'd use the same button for it to pop back in. And then to close the boot, you'd press this button and it will close for you automatically. So it's great for when you've got your hands full. So moving to the interior, it's finished off with the lovely Titan black Vienna leather seats that are electrically adjustable. Moving to the rear, we've got plenty of space for anyone travelling with you. Your Isofix, got your aircon down there. You've also got your centre armrest with the cup holders. So moving to the front, you've got your touchscreen display including your DAB digital radio. You've also got your car app connect to connect your smartphone. This car also has a rear view camera and parking sensors, so it's handy for helping you park your new car. Moving down, we've got your heated front seats and a 3-zone climate control to keep everyone happy travelling with you. Got your DSG gearbox with the start and stop function. Got some cup holders stored in here. Then I'll just give you a close-up of the seats with the R embroidery. Moving around, you've got your leather multi-function steering wheel. This car also comes with adaptive cruise control with front and lane assist. Got your electric front and rear windows. We also have an emergency SOS. And I'll just show you the panoramic sunroof. So we just open and close the blind just here. If you would like any more information on the car, then please give us a call. Thank you for watching.